need normal Huntington. We still don't understand exactly what it does, but whatever it does, you need it. And so that's why you can't just knock down all of it. You can't just say, why don't we wipe out Huntington in all of our bodies? Because you can't do that. So you still need some normal. And so how do you target just the abnormal Huntington that's expanded because of the CAG that causes Huntington's disease? And so this is one company's approach, is to find another balloon that this gene throws up that says, I'm an abnormal gene, come get me. And that's what their drug is for. So that's why with this drug, it was really nice to see that it lowered mutant Huntington. What it did to the total Huntington, I think we still need to see, and that there were not a whole lot of side effects to this drug in the trial. It was a short trial, but we have to see all of the information and see what happens over longer term. Yeah.
That's the one I was talking about. I think we ended up on the wave, because I thought it was the same thing. But this one here, they actually reduced the repeats.
No.
So it's still the same thing, okay.
Same idea. I went back to the wave one just to show the diagram.
All right.
But the Ionis one and the wave both are to lower the protein level by going after the RNA.
Okay.
Okay, so DNA gets coded by RNA, and that builds the proteins.
Okay.
Okay, so we're not going after the blueprint, and we're not going after the finished product. We're going after the in-between.
Okay. I'm going to keep asking the same question until we get the right
That's
answer.
okay. We haven't come up with a fix for the DNA in the 5 minutes that we're thinking.
Only the CRISP method is the one that reduces it at the DNA level.
Well, so the Voyager one also gets at DNA. And so it does it through DNA through different targets, whether it's going after some of the RNA that's there, because RNA has to be coded as well. So I don't understand it completely, but I know that Voyager is a DNA-based approach, as is Unicure and CRISPR. So those are 3 DNA-based approaches. So it may be that CRISPR is not yet ready for prime time, okay? But Unicure and Voyager, that may be a delivery directly into the brain or the fluid right near the brain that then disperses within the brain tissue, and it's a one-time delivery. So the ASOs break down, and that's why they have to be delivered through the spinal fluid and once a month right now. But Voyager just presented some data related to their Parkinson's disease work, and some people are 3 years after the injection and still getting benefit from it. So again, keep an eye out on what's already happened, especially from a safety perspective in terms of what Voyager is doing in the Parkinson's work, because it's out there. Yeah.
So this particular, this method is already being used for Parkinson's?
Yes.
So some symptoms of Huntington's, right, goes with Parkinson's.
Yep.
So are people with Huntington's getting this kind of?
Not yet, but
Why
that's
is that?
well, it's a different gene, right? There is no gene in Parkinson's disease.
Right, but is it symptomatic the same?
It is symptomatically the same, which is why a lot of drugs overlap. We look at amantadine, right? Amantadine is used for Parkinson's disease, but we also use it in Huntington's. So a lot of our drugs we use in both diseases. And you're right that if you look at Michael J. Fox and didn't know that he had Parkinson's disease, you might think that he had bad chorea associated with his Huntington's disease, right? So those types of movements can overlap. But unfortunately, they are very different diseases that do impact different parts of the brain and for different reasons. And so for that, we can't just go after the structures that we do for Parkinson's disease with the same drug